So let's just go ahead and put in a little bit of text. Kind of stop that at a weird spot. We'll go back to the beginning. All right, so the same thing too. I can pick who's going to see this. I'm going to stick with the public blog for now. I'm going to go out to the public blog, select my Empower Network blog, put in a demo category. And the SEO options this time I'm just not going to fill in because they're optional and just to keep things kind of going. So let me go ahead and click publish. And so now I've got a video post that's already been published out to my blog. Just as easy as that. So it gets even better though when you're using the Empower Network.
But wait, there's more is what he's basically trying to say.
So wait, there's more. If you're a customer of our video hosting service or our media hosting service, really in the ENV2 platform, you get audio and video galleries that you can choose from, straight from your activity blog. So this time I'm going to go, let's do it, video from EN. This time I'm going to click add video. I'm going to actually go down to browse from gallery. So now I can actually see different videos that we've taken that I'm going to be able to choose from that are actually already uploaded into my gallery. I'm going to select the demo video, click add video. It's already inside my video post. It's already uploaded to the Empower Network video hosting service. So now all I got to do is enter a description. Isn't this an awesome view? And we'll go ahead and click public blog. Click the Empower Network blog again. We'll just keep using the demo category for now. Click publish. And that's all there is to it.
So that seems like not like 2 or 5 or 20, but like 100 times easier than what we've got now.
Ultimately, if you're a customer of the Empower Network video hosting service, we try to make the entire experience completely integrated. So that way, there's no more copying and embed code and trying to put it into HTML inside of a blog post.
Now that just got me excited because those of you who know me, I was trying to shoot a video and I was like, I kept shooting the video like this. Hold on, let me put my room key. I was like, shooting the video like this and everything, and then it would play on like the video hosting service, like YouTube or whatever, and it'd be like this little sliver of a video, and I'd be like, how in the hell do you fix that? How do you make it go widescreen? And I was like downloading all of these different apps, and I was looking for the secret, and
Can I tell this next part because it's just so funny?
Yeah.
So okay, so
yes, sweetie, you tell the story so much better.
All right, so I'm at Dave Sharp's house, right? And he's like, he has his phone, and he's like, fucking shit, right? He needs mail, right? And he goes, Dave, he says, the stupid videos are narrow like this, and I can't figure out how to make them be like this, or like this, and I can't figure out logically how to make them like this, to play like this. And so he's holding the phone like this, right? And I walk up to Dave and I said, hey, Dave?
So one of the things that has actually been going on, now that I'm looking kind of the posts that I've made, I've got comments all the way down through here. So, I can actually go ahead and see real time the comments without having to refresh or go out and back in different accounts to be able to see kind of what it has. So like on the very first post that I've had, Scotty Ballard, that sounds like Jerry's. I wonder if he's related to Jerry Ballard. But anyway, so let's see actually who he is. So I can click on an actual link to see who the user is that posted. I actually see the full profile of the user, whatever information people in the network share, to be able to see kind of who I'm interacting with on a daily basis. So I'm going to just reply to Scotty, it will take my business. Yes, it will. So I can reply straight up in line. And as I'm working with these individual comments, I can see any kind of activity that's going back and forth. So he commented, John, one of our engineers actually that worked on the product, commented it was awesome. And I'm going to say, congrats.
Now this is happening live right now, right?
This is absolutely happening live. So we're actually posting the live sites and people are interacting with me backstage. So let's go and see what else they kind of set up here. Uploading looks like a breeze. Ed is another one of our software engineers that's on the team. So let's go ahead and see who Ed is. He's a Ninja blogger.
All right, back over to you guys. Sorry.
Well, Ed actually, now that I see it, Ed actually posted something, and this is a demonstration now. He actually posted a picture of the big bear, if you've seen it. And that bear, he actually took it. This is a private post. This is a post that Ed actually posted as a member of my team, and posted it seasoned into my activity blog. So I can look at it, just kind of see what's there, post a comment. But one of the cool features that we added is the ability to reblog. So Ed made a post into my feed. I now have the ability, if I want to share that particular content with anybody else, either on my public blog or in my feed, I can. So all I have to do is click reblog. And when I reblog that post, I can kind of choose the types of what I want. I can either be a text post, I can be a video post, I can be an audio post.
So what you're saying is that a post can go viral inside of Empower Network.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
You know, someone would actually reblog this post and put it up on mine because it's a cool picture. So let's just do this. My first reblogged post. That is a big bear. So let's go ahead and put it back out to my public. I'm going to select the Empower Network blog, do it as the demo, and go ahead and publish.
You just posted a blog post in like 15 seconds.
Oh, we've done like 4 or 5 blog posts, under a minute probably.
I've never, ever posted a blog post, ever, that quick. I mean,
Imagine how fast Chris Record will do it now. It's going to change from an hour to 3 minutes.
maybe even 3 seconds.
So we've been playing around in the activity feed in the back office of what you see when you actually log in. So let's actually go and look and see what it actually looks like out on your blog. So if I come back up to this section, I can go view and edit my blog. And I can actually see a real-time view of what my blog is. So you can see all the posts that I've just been making live from stage, replicate straight.
Anymore.
So, in that, we have the ability to customize this as well. So,
I was just going to say, Casey, can they?
Yeah,
they have to use those images and those pictures and those banners and all that?
no, not at all. So I can actually click this little plus button. It drops down, and it actually starts to give me customization options.
I just got to say, that's sick.
So if I start looking at the types of different things I can do, and my blog right now is very, very, very clean, very pretty. I'm about to mess it all up because I'm not the graphics guy by any stretch. So let's just choose a background color, choose a button color, choose a link color. Go ahead and click Save Changes. It's immediately out of the blog.
There's a couple of you in the room who used to do this. We used to find your blog and you'd go in and hack the code and you'd put your own background and be like flashing like dollars and stuff and like all this stuff. You don't have to do that anymore. You know what I'm saying? You can just use ours.
And I do have the option if I wanted to come in here and into my blog post or my blog theme, if I wanted to upload or change images, all I gotta do is hover over the particular image, click edit and upload image, and then I can edit that blog or that blog's header right there, right within the custom.
Let's show that to people, because this is cooler than
Show the folks that. Show the folks that.
Well, unfortunately, you caught me without an image to be able to upload there. So,
well, just the nude photos you showed me earlier, Casey.
The nude photos.
What?
I said the nude photos you showed me earlier. That one of Dave Sharp when he was in the bathroom. I took those.
So the way you would do it, unfortunately, I don't have a photo that I can actually upload.
You never know what's going to come out of either one of our mouths at any time.
Oh, no. So I can click up here. All I do is I can basically choose a title. I can choose a destination URL as well if I want to be able to change wherever my banner clicks actually go to. Wow. So let's make sure I don't remember that. You can edit or upload an different size adjustments based on the particular template that you're using to be able to help you, make sure you're sizing appropriately and all those sorts of things to make it really easy to edit. But I can edit those. I can edit everything from the side banner here. I can edit the footers. If I come down to things like footer data or page customizations, let's just look at footer data, first. With footer data, I can go in and change all the different links, different titles, different places where things go. I can go over to page customization. I can actually add static pages. So if you have static content that isn't blog related that you're going to manage from inside the activity feed that you just want to be able to have on your own, we can do that here. All you have to do is be able to add a static page and add your content, you're good to go. We also have other places here. You can do, there's other types of things you can choose. We can turn off and on different types of features. And, when you get started playing with the platform, there's a lot of things that you can end up doing to play with customization. And so, we're trying to make it, though, to give you the power to be able to show the presence that you want online. Everything from how your blog is presented to the URL that they're actually navigating to get there to, but also making it as easy as possible and as grandma-proof and just making it the most badass blog on the web, honestly. To be able to take over.
Hell yeah!
So just to keep on.
Oh wait, there's more.
So actually, if I look back here, I can start seeing some other posts that have happened just in the time where I've actually been up here, playing around. So somebody else on my team has made a private post. Let's go over that real quick just so I can show you what that is, and then we'll kind of look at the content. So if I click underneath the message title, we'll just do my first private post.
Don't worry, Casey, I can't spell either. And everybody knows it.
Yeah, the damn autocorrect. So the difference with private posts is instead of choosing public blog, I can actually choose if I wanted to go to all my team members, effectively meaning anyone who I've ever sponsored, including my sponsor, and I can also segment it based on the particular program. So if I have content that I want to be able to target specific to Inner Circle members or Inner Circle subscribers, I can do that. And all I have to do is I choose, say for this one, I'm going to choose Inner Circle. They also are additive. So if I wanted to say I wanted Inner Circle and 15K, I can do that. So all I do is click the next one. Even better.
Wait, there's
more.
Hey, everybody, repeat after me. Wait, there's more.
Wait, there's more. So.
Hey, from now on, we go like this. Say, wait, there's more. Practice once.
Wait, there's more. Okay. So I have the ability to segment my post and show it in the activity feed, but one of the most cool things that we've added in here is you have the ability to send an email notification to the people that are actually getting that blog post at the same time you're publishing. So if I were to send an email notification, all I do is check off the box. It'll appear in those people's activity feeds when they log in, but better yet, they have an email sitting in their inbox telling them that they have something that they need to go and check out.
So Casey, this is not only an external sales machine, but this is like an internal sales machine.
Absolutely.
So if somebody says, I've got this training that I want you to visualize this with me, that only my Inner Circle members can see, right? And if you're not in the Inner Circle, you can't see it. They can do that, right?
Yep, they don't see it. And better yet, the people.
Wait.
Yeah. There's more. Better yet, the people who don't see it know they don't see it.
Yeah.
The post shows up.
Hey, say, that's dirty. That's dirty. From now on, when Dave Sharp goes like this, say, that's dirty.
That's dirty. Wait, there's more. That's dirty.
So what it actually appears as is they don't get to see the content because they're not a subscriber. What they get to see is that they get to see that the fact that they're not seeing premium content. And they get to upgrade straight from the activity. We talked about a little bit ago, when we showed the reblog, I didn't show the badass button. So one of the things that I can do, I can look through and just see, here's my engineering team actually sitting backstage. So let's actually see what they have to say. Let's play this video. So they're actually all back, and they're the ones who actually made all this happen. So I want to make sure we actually say hi to them. So I think that particular post is badass. So I just clicked the badass button on that. I want to go and see and badass a couple more posts. But ultimately, what that ends up leading to is I can sort my posts by the number of times individuals within that have actually seen that post can badass them. So if I just go and sort by badass posts, I'm going to see the video from Ian actually got three badasses that are associated with it. So it just gives us a way to have social interaction on the platform, both with public posts and with private posts. So, so I saw this was another post I got from the engineering team. Let me scroll down here a little. Oh, wait a minute. Remember that video that I took when I came out, when I was walking around?
I thought that was for your...
I was doing that, it was my first time, second time on stage. I thought I'd actually capture it. That was actually, let's see, I think that's this video.
What?
How'd you upload that already?
Didn't do the right thing.
I was just gonna say. Wait. So Casey, you're saying when you walked out here, you were taking that video and you posted that when you sat down.
Yep.
What?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But Casey, I didn't even see you do that, so it didn't take that long?
No, it was posted up, and I took that was what, 30, 45-second video. It was up there within a minute and a half. Up to our video hosting service, encoded, and already published to my blog. Because I put that out on the public blog, so if I come back here and actually look at it, we'll actually see that post right there.
It's magic!
It is on.
That was sneaky, dude.
That's dirty. Hey, there's more.
So with mobile, so what we've done with mobile is we've actually built fully functional apps that replicate all, and I mean all, of the features that I just showed on the desktop version in the browser. Straight from your mobile device.
Could I push this button that says take a video, make a message to my team, tag the people in the inner circle in it, and that would just pop up in people's back offices, and if they didn't have the inner circle, it would say upgrade now.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Without ever even logging in on the computer?
Without
That was me. Casey, go again.
So we actually support, when we're going out, we have apps for iPhone, for iPad, for Android, and Android tablet. So, and what's even better is I can see my entire activity feed. you know, if I navigate around, you know, I can actually go and watch all of my training from my mobile device. So all your products are accessible. I can email. I have access to my back office information like leaderboards, competition info, commissions, pretty much anything that you can see inside the ENV2 platform on the web, I can manage straight from my mobile device.
So you know how much time you spend on your phone now? We're about to like quadruple that.
Not really though, because it's easier now.
Who thinks that's badass, guys? Who thinks that was worth waiting for about a year?
What I want to do here real quick, guys, there's some questions that are just going to pop up if we don't answer them.
Sure.
Right? So I'd like to just ask him some questions that I know people will be asking for a couple of minutes. So first of all, how much is it going to cost for the existing blog customers to have this upgraded version of the blog when we launch this?
It's going to be the same $25 you did.
So what about, you know, there's going to be some concerns because we haven't talked about it. A lot of people in here are into SEO. They've got hundreds and we've got millions of blog posts on the site now. What about the URL structure, the existing posts on the site, existing videos, all that stuff?
Sure. Well, and we're doing a lot of work to make sure that when we import all of the content, and we're importing all of the content from the current system over into ENV2. Are going to be maintained. What we're going to be able to do is we are going to be able to, everything's going to be maintained from an SEO standpoint. There's going to be a few redirects here and there, but we're going to do it in an SEO compliant way where we make sure that we respect all the SEO that you guys have worked so hard to build over the last year and a half.
It's not WordPress. It's not WordPress.
I'm just getting excited and my brain's going a little bit blank, you know, from this. Last thing, actually, I don't know if you have any other questions, but
Is all I can think about is total internet domination.
Not from a affiliate perspective or from a customer perspective, maybe a customer perspective, I don't know, but just from a technology perspective and a platform perspective, you know, you've been into technology your whole adult life. What's your perspective on this and why this is valuable just as a platform, as a blogging platform, and how it compares to other things out there?
Well, we've built effectively, you know, an entire another network on every single level of competition with the other major players that are out there in the blogging space. Everything from Tumblr, from Typepad, you know, certainly WordPress, and we're certainly easier to use than WordPress. But we've built a platform to be able to interact both with just Empowered Network members, but also customers that are coming to anybody that wants to have a presence online. This is their platform. We built this to be everyone's platform that wants to be able to make money online, whether it's from someone that's an Empowered Network affiliate, to someone who's selling some other opportunity other line, to someone who just wants to blog about their kittens for some reason. You know, we have the technology to be able to support it. We have the most integrated experience online as well. Everything from the activity feeds and the blogs that they see, from the video hosting and the audio hosting that we offer, along with the mobile experience that quite honestly is second to none. There's not another blogging platform that's out there right now that has the level of mobile integration that Empowered Network is going to have right out.
And Facebook is going to talk more.
I just have to do that. I don't actually know if there's more. I helped do the ideas for this and everything for 6 months, so I know a lot about it.
Syndication.
Have a breakthrough! Everybody say breakthrough! Breakthrough! But you gotta say it like it, breakthrough! Breakthrough!
Hey, I've got a question.
Sure.
So, now we've developed this for a year, and we've invested, millions of dollars into this platform. Is this
How much, Dave? I don't know.
millions? I think almost 3 million. It doesn't matter. There's millions of dollars, almost 3 million, I think. But here's what my question is. Is this like it? Are we like letting the tech team go now, sending them home?
No.
Is this it, or is there like? And I don't want to give away too much, but are we already working on anything else?
Oh yeah. Well, and there's even things, there is waiting on it, and there's going to be more, because this is the foundation. This is just like the unveiling of the new thing, right? What's going to end up happening over the next year is going to blow your mind, because we're going to take it from this to where any other criticism and any other feature that could possibly be out there, from the Tumblrs or the TypePads or the WordPresses or whoever other blogging platform is out there, we're not done until utter domination. Until we are done.
We'll talk about that in a second here when I hype everybody up. That's my job, is to create notes. Casey talks, David creates hype. You think I'm kidding? All right. There was something else that I wanted to ask you, but it's not in my head right now. Wait, there's more. Actually, that's a great question.
That is actually very good. I'm glad that got brought up. The entire site was built with multilingual in mind, to be able to support straight language. So we're going to be coming out actually very soon after launch. Maybe not right at launch, but very soon after launch. And we're talking this year after launch. We're going to be coming out with other language support. So we were actually built just from the ground up when we built this new platform. Is we wanted to take some of those pains that were kind of associated with the old site away, to where we can easily and quickly actually go to pretty much any country worldwide, have a localized blog, to where that business can just expand exponentially.
Recently, we moved like 95% of our customer service to Costa Rica to bilingual people, specifically because of the fact that when we translate everything and launch in Spanish,
How many of you guys can really envision having a team of people speaking all kinds of different languages all over the world? Can you really see that? Can you really see that? Does that fit into your vision? A downline of 100,000 people, your event being this big, it may be Sylvia over in Portugal. Different languages. I mean, can you guys see that? I say, if you're good, I say we transition over, because we've got to plan it, and over the next basically 60 days or so, we've got to plan it, and we're going to map that out for you. But what I really want you guys to do here, and then I'm done. I'm going to turn it over to Dave here, because truthfully, I'm literally more excited about this than I've ever been about anything, not only in business, besides having my daughter and getting engaged to my beautiful future wife, which she's standing right there, right? I have never been this excited about anything else in my entire life. But guys, here's the real truth: is we need you guys behind us, right?
Yeah.
We need you guys behind us, because we've been kind of quietly behind the scenes. And again, when we started this company, the motivation was not to figure out how Dave and I could, go out there and get rich and take over the universe. It was how